Hello again. I am replacing this parking light bulb over here, which is part of the main headlight housing. Here is the main bulb for the headlight. This is a single bulb for both the low and high beam. A lot of models, however, do have them separate. Clean the surrounding area first with a damp cloth so dust doesn't enter once you open it. To take it out, turn it a quarter turn towards the left and pull. This is a clear bulb, but it looks dark because it has fused. Just pull it out. I'm replacing this with a genuine Honda bulb. This is made by Stanley. This is a 5-watt bulb. This bulb is shared across many Honda models. Why am I choosing a genuine bulb? It lasts a long time. The one I'm replacing lasted 13 years, which has more than done its job. Clean the rubber seal on this and where it goes into the light housing. Push in the bulb, you will hear and feel it snap in place. Because I touched the bulb with my bare hands, it can leave oily residue from my fingers. This can shorten the life of the bulb. Wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth or use gloves to begin with. Put this back in the way you took it out and turn it a quarter turn towards the right. And that's it. The last thing to do now is to test it. Perfect. Here's a comparison of both the bulbs. The left one is the burnt out one. You can see it's gotten dark. The right is the new one. Now this was a halogen bulb. A lot of newer models come with DRLs, daytime running lights, which are LEDs, either installed as part of the headlight or it could be separate. If that fuses, the manufacturer recommends to change the whole DRL if it's with the headlight to change the whole headlight. So that can be very expensive. So I guess in this case, maybe old is gold. I hope you found this video informative. Please consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching.